Hey friends, today I'm making baked mac and cheese, but not just any mac and cheese. This one's from the Fresh Eggs Daily Cookbook, and it uses an eggy custard style cheese sauce. Super cozy, super cheesy. Let's go. Go ahead and preheat the oven to 375 and use butter to grease an 8 or 9 inch casserole dish. In a large pot, bring the water, 1 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of salt to a boil. Then you're going to add the macaroni. You're going to stir occasionally and cook until the pasta is al dente, about 6 minutes. Reserve half a cup of the pasta cooking liquid. Here's a tip. Set a measuring cup next to your pasta pot before you boil the water, and this will help you to remember to reserve some of the cooking water. Then you're going to drain the macaroni and pour it into the prepared casserole dish. If you're new here and love simple, cozy cooking, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I got more recipes coming your way. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried an egg-based mac and cheese like this. I'm curious what you think. Go ahead and stir 1 tablespoon of butter into the macaroni until the butter melts. Then you're going to sprinkle the cheeses over the macaroni. Can we just agree that mac and cheese makes everything better? I mean, come on. This would actually be a perfect side dish for Easter. Cheesy, cozy, and it feeds a crowd. Do you guys have any favorite go-to Easter dishes? I'd love to hear what's on your menu this year. Drop it in the comments. Now's the time to make that delicious custardy sauce. First, we're gonna take a 2-cup measuring cup. We're gonna whisk the cream, the remaining half a cup of milk, our reserved pasta cooking liquid, our eggs, and our mustard, the remaining half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of pepper. Whether you're hosting Easter or bringing a dish, this one's a crowd pleaser for sure. Go ahead and make sure that you give this custard sauce a really thorough mixing. If you've got a few extra eggs to use up, like I usually do, this recipe is a great way to make them shine. Now we're going to melt the remaining tablespoon of butter and we're going to stir it into the breadcrumb. Let's go ahead and give them breadcrumbs a quick little mix. Now we're going to want to pour the sauce mixture over the macaroni, making sure to cover it evenly. Around here, we love a good baked mac and cheese no matter the season, but this one feels especially festive. Now we're going to take those buttered breadcrumbs and sprinkle them over the top of our macaroni and cheese, and then we're going to put it into that preheated 375-degree oven, and we're going to bake it for 25 minutes until golden brown. And would you look at that? Golden, cheesy perfection. Thank you so much for hanging out with me in the kitchen today. If you give this egg-based mac and cheese a try, let me know how it turned out in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any cozy recipes from Pam's Joy of Cooking. Until next time, happy cooking and stay joyful. From my kitchen to yours, Pam's Joy of Cooking.